So a very good evening to all of you. And we have called. But elements are still there. Who are trying to spread fake news, who are trying to spread incitement. The assessment of the police administration central force to try to incite people to repeating.
So today's meeting was to review the ongoing law and order situation as to how we have come so far, how is the deployment of the police, to sort out any coordination issues that may be there between the administration, police and the central forces, and to plan out to move ahead. So as we know that the occasion of Eid is also just coming up, and we also had a review and planning for providing adequate security in all the concerned areas to make sure that no untoward incident happens and peace is maintained in the district. Situation is as of now fine. It is all thanks to the community and the society which came up against the violence that happened. As we saw, there were several prayer meetings that happened around the town area, in which the message was very clear that the community does not support any such violence that happens. So we are in touch with the communities from the entire district, in Tura also, in the communities in plain belt areas also, both from both sides. And we are in touch with the communities, and our magistrates are also posted there. And as of now, the situation is fine. I think everyone wants peace as of now. Everyone wants the situation to normalize as of now. And all efforts are being made, including provision of security, as well as other efforts to improve peace. So yesterday, with the initiative of the church leaders, there was a meeting that was conducted in Shamnagar area with both communities, where a lot of positive dialogue happened, where a lot of positive sentiments came out, and both the sides have vehemently denied that any violence should take place now, and that the healing process and the peace process should continue now. So that gave out a very strong message.